Welcome to ProNail Complex, where we believe that a healthy and beautiful nail is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Our mission is to provide our clients with state-of-the-art care, design, and treatment options to enhance their nails and promote overall well-being. At ProNail Complex, we understand that a healthy nail begins at the base. That's why we offer comprehensive care services, including nail shaping, cuticle care, and skin assessments. Our team of certified professionals will assess your nails and skin and develop a personalized treatment plan to address any concerns and promote optimal nail health. Our nail care treatments are designed to cater to every need, whether you're looking to strengthen and repair, enhance your natural nail color, or simply want to keep your nails looking their best. We offer a wide range of options, including gel polishes, acrylic nails, nail art, and semi-permanent makeup, all crafted with the highest quality ingredients and attention to detail. At ProNail Complex, we believe that aesthetics and functionality should go hand in hand. That's why we also offer nail care products designed to support the health and growth of your nails. Our selection includes natural and organic oils, cuticle care products, and nail strengtheners to help you achieve the perfect nail combination. So why wait? Experience the difference that ProNail Complex can make in the health and beauty of your nails. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and personalized care to help you achieve your nail goals. Book your appointment today and let us take care of your nails. Please click on the link given below the video description. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe my channel.